Hello, this video I'm gonna show you how to display a list of popular posts without a plugin by following this article on the wpbeginner.com. First, you need a plugin to insert the function. You can use plugin or you can actually edit the function file on the temp file. The easy way to use a plugin like me, the name of plugin is my custom function. So here is the editor. First you need to open the article and scroll down until the method to part like this. Just copy all the code here to the function editor here. The function will create a custom field on the post and update it with the number here. If you have paste the code here and turn on the function and of course have to change. It will create the custom field and the number each time the post is open, but it will happen if you had paste another code on here. So this is the first code, the first function, and this is the second function. Just copy here. So the second function it will execute the function here, the first function, every time the single template is loaded or is opened by user. It can be a single post, single page, or a single template. Anything that included in a single template, it will run the function here. It will create a custom field and add a number to the value. Then the third code here, it will create the function to display the number here, so we can call the function later in to show to display in the front end. Just copy here, copy all this code, code first, the second code, and the third code here. Don't forget to check the on button and click the save change. After the next, we were gonna head to the builder or the page editor. Here I have a container with a post title and the code. For the code, you need to copy paste here and paste, copy here, copy this one and paste to here. Don't forget to add echo, so you write code like here. For the post title, it's same like it doesn't need change anything. And then for the container, we're gonna set the query loop, enable the query loop, and for the query, the main thing is to create order by type and choose the meta numeric value, and here on the order meta key field you can copy the custom field here, copy the custom field here and paste to this field. Then after that you can tweak or you can set another configuration as you like. And of course I wanna exclude the current post, and I wanna make the post is make sure that the list of posts has the same category of the current post. After all set, then save. Then you then here you have a list of popular posts sorted by total of view and with the number of view on the front page and on front end. So let's say this post has 0 view if I click once, then go back, let's say reload, then it will add the view to this custom field, then it will show on the front end like this. So thank you for watching, see you on next video.